So good evening, everyone. Today we are discussing about one more interview question. So already previous class lo each and every class, each and every video I uploaded 20 interview questions. Then automatically today video also we can upload it 10 interview questions. Each and every interview question is very very most important question for the SAP FICO consultant as well as end user at the time of interview attending. So please be learn each and everything. So today I'll explain 10 questions only. So let's start. How to classify the house banks? What is house banks is nothing but vendor related information, like vendor related at the time of vendor or customer GL creation time. We can update at the we can update at the vendor or customer bank details. So like this why we can upload it this house banking system because of automatic payment program like APP automatic payment program purpose we must need updated the house banking system. So I'll explain. The house bank system will be divided into three types. So those are bank master data and bank master data and bank account and bank key. So here bank master data means like particular vendor related particular vendor. For example, one vendor having more number of number of account number of bank accounts. So we can update the related bank accounts to the particular at the time of GL creation particular vendor. So bank master is nothing but bank name as well as bank details and bank ID. These are bank area. These are all comes under the bank master data. So then bank account number is nothing but current account number like whatever the vendor bank details given what are the bank details taken from the vendor or customer like bank account number and like bank account number. It is like a current account or current account or savings account whatever. So then finally, bank key is nothing but IFSC code. In foreign countries, bank key we can call it as a shift code. So shift code is nothing but bank IFSC code. So the second one, what is meant by foreign currency posting? Foreign currency posting is nothing but at the time of document posting time, whatever currency we are selected, that is called as a foreign currency. Sorry, at the time of document posting, other than local currency, we can use that is called as a foreign currency posting. For example, when we post the document other than local currency, that is called as a foreign currency. At the time of document entry posting, like essay document, GL document, essay document, GL document, vendor invoice generation, vendor invoice clearing, as well as customer invoice generating, as well as customer invoice. These are financial related documents posting time. We can select the foreign currency like that is called as other than local currency. So we can select the other than we can select the foreign currency that is called as the foreign currency posting. Like instead of INR we can use USD. So then third question, how many types of currencies reflected in the time of document posting? So when a document post to go at the time of document posting, the currency will be reflected in the three types. So those are when we example, when we posted any document. So అంటే మనం ఒక డాక్యుమెంట్ పోస్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు like essay document, I just now I told essay document, the currency will be reflected three times. Those are transactional currency, local currency, group currency. Transactional currency means at the time of transaction creation time, whatever currency we have specified, that is called as the transaction currency. Local currency means Mm, company code creation time lo whatever currency we can select it, that is called a local currency. And group currency, the group currency is used for the high level reporting, like group level reporting purpose. So here, okay, here again we have specified again we had separate questions for the currency. What is meant by transaction currency? At the time of, I'm sorry, what is meant by transaction currency? Right, something. What is meant by transactional currency? Transactional currency at the time of accounting entry posting time, whatever currency we are specified, that currency is called as a transaction currency. Then what is meant by local currency? Local currency ఏంటంటే Whatever currency we are specified at the time of company code creation, that currency is called as a local currency. So these are all very, very important questions. And then what is meant by group currency? Group currency, nothing but we are creating the reports currency, reporting purpose, like including including within the group, there are number of company codes is there. So the group currency is nothing but including the within the group there are number of company codes. So we can check the all company codes currency purpose. We can use the group currency code. So then what is meant by recurring document? So recurring document is the process of business transactions automatically. So before that, for example, any business transactions, like financial related any business transactions, it means financial related transactions we can posted beforely. So, but the document will be reflected in particular data, like featured data. So, for example, we can take loan from financial institutions. So, for example, our company given the loans to the customers. So then the company will set up the document, will set up the recurring document. So before that, why? Because beforely the recurring document, beforely the company done the recurring document configurations, then automatically the same due date time, the amount will be debited from the customer account as well as credited to the our company accounts. These purpose we are using recurring document. Recurring document means in the process of business transactions automatically. Then how many types of reconciliation account? So we already types reconciliation account. So reconciliation account means we can specify, we can separately reconciliation account means for example, it is helpful for reporting purpose, like vendor wise, customer wise, ledger wise, each and every wise. I mean, vendor report wise, customer report wise, document wise, ledger wise. These purpose we are using reconciliation accounts. So here reconciliation accounts are five types. So in SAP, we are having five types of reconciliation account. Those are domestic vendor reconciliation account, international vendor reconciliation account, and one-time account. So domestic vendor means within the country. Within the country, within the country within the country we are having the customers. So these within the country we are having the vendors. So these vendors called as the domestic vendors. And international vendor is, so other than India, we are having them a number of customers from out of countries. So these vendors called as a international vendors. So one-time vendor is nothing but they're doing transactions with our company only one time. So these purpose we are using one-time vendor creation. So then service level vendor reconciliation account also we need to create. So service level vendor means, for example, in our company, like machinery. So one machinery already installed, installation done, but every 3 months or 6 months, one yearly once, the system will be required service. So these purpose we can select the service vendors. So these are the service vendors. So then inventory vendor reconciliation. Due to the inventory, like how much stock available in our company. So what is the stock position? These are all purpose we can create the inventory vendor reconciliation account. So finally in SAP we have five types of reconciliation account. So, actually only three types of reconciliation accounts. Those are domestic, international, one time, and these are the service and vendor with the alternative reconciliation account. We can call it as an alternative reconciliation account. Then finally, how many types of currencies supported? So actually, I'm using ECC this trial purpose. So in ECC version, we supported the three types of currencies, and the latest version S/4HANA will supported the 10 types of currencies. So what is meant by financial statement version? So previous class I already explained completely about the financial statement version topic. So just briefly I'll explain. Financial statement versions is nothing but to design the financial statement like balance sheet and profit and loss and all. Compared to other than SAP, Tally, ERP, it is used for accounts department as well as time sheets for HR department like payroll department. So there are different types of non-SAP system, non-SAP ERPs is there. So here, but each and every ERP, so like for example, you can take Tally. Tally, for example, you can generate the GL account, then we can post the general entries. Then automatically the GL account will be reflected to the balance sheet as well as profit and loss account. But here, this option we don't have. So we need to create a financial statement version. How we can create the I mean, based on the GL groups బేస్ చేసుకొని GL నెంబర్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని యాజ్ పర్ క్లయింట్ బ్లూ ప్రింట్ వేసుకొని క్లయింట్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ బేస్ చేసుకొని క్లయింట్కి ఏ విధంగా కావాలని దాన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని మనం ఫైనాన్షియల్ స్టేట్మెంట్ వర్షన్ని డిజైన్ చేస్తాం. లైక్ బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ మనమే డిజైన్ చేస్తాం, యాజ్ వెల్ as ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ అకౌంట్ డిజైన్ చేస్తాం. బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ కింద ఏమేమి లెడ్జెస్ రావాలనేది కూడా మనమే డిజైన్ చేస్తాము. ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్స్ each and every configuration the consultant will only design in SAP FICO, not only SAP FICO, SAP all modules. So thank you so much for spending your valuable time. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. So these are all 10 questions and answer. I will add it in this video uploaded. At the time of video uploaded, I'll add in this. Thank you so much.